For the Senior Learning Institute, I'm Ted Gottlieb. Here's a tip as it relates to financial planning. I suggest that older adults and their advocates consult with a financial advisor, no matter how much money is involved. If you already have a financial planner that you like, you're all set. If you have one that you're not sure about or wouldn't know your name or your face when you saw them in public, maybe you consider talking with some others. A good financial planner can assess what you have and how long it might last. They can help you with things like long-term care insurance, disability, Social Security income, veterans benefits, and estate planning. I know one financial planner who delivered meals, provided transportation, and has been a shoulder to lean on. I mean, some folks go above and beyond. At the Senior Learning Institute, we'll point you in the right direction by introducing you to financial planning concepts and trusted professionals. And you can get that information and get started on the Senior Learning Institute website. Go to the library, go to the resource page. There's also some great content on the video page, or you can also just call and we'll be happy to direct you. We're at 314-400-8102. That's 314-400-8102, or go to the seniorlearninginstitute.com website. We're happy to help, free as always. For the Senior Learning Institute, I'm Ted Gottlieb.